welcome back to the show where all my weird ideas go. It's a sensory shorty. And since I once worked at a tortilla chip factory, that makes me an expert on all forms of snacks. So I'm going to objectively list these Utz variety pack snacks. And mass hilarity will hopefully ensue. Apologies if the table shakes, the cat's currently rubbing it. So we have a barbecue flavor. I think that's everything. Cat, no! I'm filming a thing! No one will notice. No one saw that. I'm going to start with the pretzels because they're an outlier. They claim that are perfect for dipping, large enough to scoop your favorite dip, yet small enough to be eaten in a single bite. The guarantee, if you're ever dissatisfied, return the unused portion to the store, were purchased for a full refund. Oh, they're wheel-shaped. That's a pretzel. Nothing else odd going on here. So I guess just leave that as a benchmark. The potato chip flavored chips. You have to wonder what they put in these potato chip flavored chips to make them taste like potato chips, while also being potato chips. Oh, no, Cat, I'm just trying to eat the chips for the interwebs. You know, I promised myself I'd stop saying it's fine, because my friends are starting to joke to me that every food I eat is just fine. But these chips mostly remind me of kind of Lay's style, super thin. Might even be fried in... Oh no, it's fried in cottonseed oil. I don't know, I guess I kind of like the pretzel more. White cheddar popcorn. I actually had a hankering for pre-pop popcorn yesterday. And then I didn't think of actually opening this and trying it, so... Oh well. Oh, and now the cat's on the table. Where all cats belong. Yeah, why don't you go up there and help me order these things? No, I guess this is her favorite. I guess this is most highly rated by Kitta. Popcorn? Pretty high reaction, so this is the proper order for Kitta's reactions. She's even going after my hand that has the powder on it. Kitta, why don't you pick the next one? Rub a hand. Do you want left side or right side? Oh, she decided she wants on the left side. Help! I can't even see the camera anymore. What am I even reviewing? I think it was this one. Sour cream and onion. A little bit of reaction. I guess who's gonna say it's just okay? It's me. No, don't show that to the audience. No! I'm gonna have to censor that. Do you know how much censorship costs, Kitta? They don't like cats on the internet. I don't know what you're thinking. You know, they say on television, never work with kids or animals. I'm starting to understand why. Oh no, no, she still likes the popcorn the best. Just in case you were wondering. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of barbecue chips, but I personally like them more than the onion. But it's clear which one Kitta prefers. Also, cats really shouldn't have onion, so I'm actually going to put that one. I remember where it is in the order, don't worry folks. Kitta's review will be untainted by my opinions. Two options, Kitta. Pick one. She picked this hand. So I got one of these things. Oh. She's interested. She has some slight interest in this. Now it's time for the last Kitta-tested bag, which is cheese curls. Ooh, no, I actually don't like that. Cat, what do you think? Do you want that? Ooh, yeah, she wants that. How much do you want it? Do you want enough to follow it up on the table? Oh yeah, we might have a winner, folks! Look at this! Oh wait, she's still looking at the popcorn. I guess my cat likes cheese. So here's our final order as ranked by my cat. We have the... What, really? You have something else to say? Something else to say to your fans, Kitta? Here's the final ranked order. Oh my god, cat. Come on. Well, I can kind of see. So it was pretzels as the least like, then party mix, barbecue, sour cream and onion, despite how much she shouldn't have that, and then she liked the original. I guess she's a bit of a purist in terms of potato chips. White cheddar and popcorn. And then finally, the cheese curls got the biggest reaction out of her, as you can see right now. So there you have it. If you want to know my opinion, too bad. April Fools. Cat! You're a good cat.